Hi guys, I'm packaging stuff for the homeless. We're not better than them. We always need someone to lean on when we're in down moments or not happy. We should always let Lovely do it. So I'm gonna start packaging. I'm gonna put some milk, biscuit, and bread. Now I'm gonna fold it. I've all done it already. Then now I'm gonna do a new one. Put some this because we need to give back to the community, because sometimes people just walk past homeless but don't give them anything. Because at the end of the day, homeless people are humans, and we're all humans at the end of the day. Then if you see like a homeless person, just spread them love, tell them how their day is doing, ask them what's wrong, ask them what's happened, and always let love lead the way. Always let love lead the way.